Hi students, welcome. In this video, we will study about the difference between line command and polyline command used in AutoCAD. Students, before starting the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends also and like this video. So students, let's start here. See here, this is the line command bar and this is the polyline command bar. Polyline is also called as PLINE. Okay, so see here, we can directly select here from here and use this command, or we can type the shortcut keys. I'm here using now shortcut key. I'm typing the L, then pressing enter for line command, and here I am drawing this line as you can see here. Now secondly, I'm going to use the polyline command. For that I am here typing PL, that means PLINE, or we can call it as polyline, and pressing enter. So now I am here drawing this lines as you can see here. Now see here the difference. So between this is the line section as we have drawn. This is for line. So here this, by using the line command, we have drawn this portion. Okay, this portion. Okay, so here as you can see here, I can select the lines as you can see here. Okay, different lines are there, and as you can see here, there is break between all these lines. Okay, we can select the separately all these line which we have drawn by line command. But in case of polyline command, when we use the polyline command, it acts as a single line. As you can see here, continuous line we can call it as. So here as you can see here, when I click on this line, this you can see that this is a continuous line. Even we have break this line at this point, this point, this point, we have clicked and drawn this line. As you can see here, when we select this single line, it selects this complete portion of the line which we have drawn. In case of line command, as you can see here, when we select the line, it selects only that much single line, and when we select the line and uh, type here enter button delete, then it deletes the single line. And if we select the polyline as you can see here and press delete, then it deletes entire our polyline. Okay, so students, in this video we have understood the difference between the line command and polyline command used in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.